Welcome to the Brinks FN509 safety and cleaning video. Today we'll be covering everything that's in the training manual that is also online, so you can print it out and have a paper version to follow along so you don't miss any of the steps. First thing, it is always important to make sure the firearm is safely unloaded and no magazine or shells or cartridges are near. You will start with the chamber flag in the pistol itself when you start your cleaning process. That way you know the firearm is unloaded. Then check again visually to make sure there's no other cartridges. Then you'll take the pistol apart into four basic pieces: your slide, your spring, your barrel, and your frame. The first thing you'll do is take your actual Brinks cleaning kit and attach the brass spear tip jag. You'll saturate the patch with 1-step CLP. Center the patch, just like that, and push through the barrel. And that is when you know you have a dirty pistol. You will repeat this process several times. Until you have the barrel saturated very well. At this point, I let the barrel sit for a few minutes, as the 1-step CLP has penetrating agents that get underneath and loosen the fouling. That is when I look at the slide and the actual frame part of the pistol. Saturate some more patches, and you will actually clean the loading ramp. Wipe that off and make sure it's clean. Also, inside of your slide, the rails and all other parts that are dirty. At this point, you may need to saturate your utility nylon brush and actually clean and get into the grooves and the slide. You'll want to remove all the fouling and gunk from all the cleaner. Now we are ready to go back and actually clean the barrel. So you'll switch off the jag to the bore brush and run the brush all the way through the barrel and back out. You do this approximately 4 to 6 times. And then you'll switch back to your jag. You'll spear the patch in the center again and push your patches through. You will repeat this process until you see that there's no fouling. At the point where you have your patches coming out clean, you can use your chamber flag and use the light, and you can see if it has any traces of fouling in the rifling itself. Make sure it's totally clean, and it is. If you have any excess fouling, you can remove it with one step and a patch. I like to wipe down the barrel, all metal parts, with the one step. Gives it protection. For the lubrication points on your FN509 pistol, you want to lightly lubricate the pistol to keep it in perfect working order. You want to actually first use a light coating in the rails. That's what the needle oil is perfect for. Then you want to lubricate the striking block and also the cartridge guide. After you've done that, you'll take the frame and the sear itself, and then on the barrel itself, a 1/4 inch from the muzzle, you want to put a light coat of the CLP of one step on it, and use a patch to make it totally around the barrel. At that point then, you'll want to actually lightly lubricate the barrel unlock surface. And that is how you lubricate your FN509 to keep it in perfect working order in heat and all cold, extreme temperature, in different environments. Now you're ready to reassemble your pistol. Put away all your cleaning tools. Slide the barrel into the slide itself. Spring back into its position. Line it up with the frame itself and the rail. Back to the open position and click the lever up, and you're good. Then you will reinsert the chamber flag until ready for use. Once you have assembled your FN509 pistol back together, then you can actually finish by wiping the outside with a light coat of the CLP one step. Only the metal part itself needs to be lubricated and kept protected. Now your pistol is ready for service, and you're cleaned and ready to go. And that is the final ending to the FN509 cleaning video and safety instruction. Once you have cleaned your pistol, you're ready to go into service, and also to put your items back away. And if you want a more detailed instructional, you can follow along in the printed guide and step online next to this video. Thank you very much.